Your legs feel like stone. Heavy, stiff, weak. Every step sends a dull ache through your knees and hips. You sit down to rest, but the discomfort never fully leaves. It follows you into your bed, keeps you from sleeping peacefully, and greets you again in the morning. You didn't ask for this pain. You didn't wake up one day and choose to live with aching joints. But now, simple things like walking to the kitchen, climbing stairs, or standing to chat with a friend feel like mountains to climb. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and sometimes it makes you wonder, will it ever get better? What if I told you that the answer isn't hidden in expensive pills or endless supplements? What if the healing your body needs is already waiting for you in your kitchen, in a simple, warm cup you drink every night? Before we continue, if you feel that heaviness in your joints right now, or if you know someone who struggles silently with pain, please hit like and share this video. Your support helps others find this message too. Joint pain is more than just physical discomfort. It steals your freedom, the freedom to move without fear, to enjoy your days fully, to live without limits. It chips away at your independence, slowly but surely. Most seniors reach for painkillers or vitamin supplements. They want relief fast. But here's the thing. Those solutions often only mask the pain temporarily. They don't fix the real problem. It's like putting a bandage on a leaky pipe without fixing the crack. The leak continues and the damage grows. Your body needs true nourishment, nutrients that heal the bones, rebuild the cartilage, and soothe inflammation naturally. Healing requires patience and care, but the rewards are real and lasting. Tonight, I want to share a gentle, natural ritual, a warm healing drink you can prepare with just a few simple ingredients. This isn't a miracle cure, but it's a powerful step you can take each night to support your joints and bones from within. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, whichever suits you best. 3 to 4 almonds, soaked overnight and peeled. 1 walnut, crushed. A pinch of turmeric powder. Why these ingredients? Almonds are rich in vitamin E, healthy fats, and calcium, which support joint health and bone strength. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, known for reducing inflammation and easing stiffness. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that fights swelling and pain. Milk provides protein and calcium, essential for maintaining bone density and muscle strength. Making this drink is simple. Grind the soaked almonds into a smooth paste. Warm your milk in a pan until it's just about to boil. Add the almond paste, crushed walnut, and turmeric. Let the mixture simmer gently on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the flavors and nutrients to blend beautifully. Pour it into your favorite cup and drink it warm, slowly, with intention, just before you head to bed. This nightly ritual does more than soothe your body. It tells your body that you care, that you are committed to healing. It's a moment of self-love, a quiet act of kindness towards yourself. Why drink it at night? Because nighttime is when your body works hardest to repair itself. Your cells regenerate, tissues rebuild, and your mind rests. The warm drink helps relax your muscles and nerves, making nutrient absorption more effective as you sleep. It's nature's perfect healing window. If you commit to this for 30 to 45 days, you may start noticing small but powerful changes. Your mornings might feel a little easier. The stiffness that greeted you on waking could soften. Walking, climbing stairs, even standing for longer periods might become less daunting. And best of all, you may find yourself relying less on painkillers or supplements that only mask symptoms. Remember, healing is a journey, not a race. Be patient and gentle with yourself. This cup of warmth is a quiet companion in your path to renewed strength and freedom. If you're ready to try this natural remedy, I encourage you to share this video with a friend or family member who might also benefit. And when you start your healing cup ritual, please come back and comment below to share your progress. Your journey can inspire others. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Wisdom Aurora, where we explore heartfelt, natural ways to live stronger and healthier after 60. Here, age is not a limitation, but a source of wisdom and vitality. Tonight, take this small step. Prepare that warm cup. Drink it with gratitude. Give your body a reason to heal, because you deserve to move freely again, to live fully, to enjoy every moment. I'm here with you on this journey. Let's heal together.